Well, if you're on the way up north on your road trip anyway, come to the North Pennines National Park and you'll find some beautiful waterfalls and infinity pools. This is Bleakbeck Falls Waterfall. It's got a lovely infinity pool there. You can have a little jump in, and that's a waterfall up there. See if I can take you up to it. And it's lovely in there. Not quite deep enough to get your body in, but it's a lovely, really cold on a nice hot summer's day. This is Bleakbeck Falls Waterfall. Make sure you come to it.